beautiful subscribers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dun-dun-dun. So guys, I've really missed you guys so much. Welcome back. Yeah, so guys, in today's video, this is just a challenge. We're going to be doing eating while handcuffed challenge. So guys, we don't have a handcuff, we don't have a real handcuff, but then we're going to improvise. So we're going to be eating while tying this rope together to our hands, to just I don't know, to maybe have fun. Is it fun? Yes, it's actually fun, I guess. So guys, watch us as we do this. Come close and buck.
Jesus Christ.
So this is your right hand.
No, this is not my right hand.
I'm supposed to do it right. Yep, exactly.
Jesus. I'm going to do it like this.
Now.
No, it's supposed to be like this.
Will you, except you eat with left hand?
Yes.
You eat with left hand? Okay. Yeah, hold it. Alright, keep watching. What coming? Hold this. No, hold the other one. Oh man.
You don't do now.
It's only one thing now. So. Alright.
Jesus Christ.
This is what it is. So guys, this is our biscuits. Yep, I hope you guys can see.
Yeah.
It's nothing much, you just want to try it out. I chose this biscuit and this chocolate so that like the eating process will be much more difficult. So we're going to be using this biscuit to scoop the chocolate. Let's open the biscuits right away. Hold on.
Why did they carry my hand?
Welcome back. So guys, we went to get this so that it will be in a different place. Yep. And this is the chocolate. Where's that one? Can't find it.
What's there?
Easy.
Cowbell chocolates.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like me.
You say you will eat it. You say no. Yeah. See, wait. We got speak because this guy is okay. People were here. People were witness. I asked her, can you eat this? Let me tell you what happened. I asked her if she can actually eat this, and she said yes. I wanted to tie her right from my right, but then she said it's not going to be so much. It's easier. But she said no, you're not going to wait. Let me put the rules of this game. No, let's put the rules. The rule of this challenge is no pushing, no dragging. Just do your thing very gently because this is a tiger. You're still pushing me. I'm pushing you. Oh, it's a lie. Should be passing. No.
I never collect.
No.
I never collect.
See, plenty biscuits.
I never collect.
Oh, I don't like this kind of thing.
Oh, let's go around.
Wait, no. I don't agree. This is Ojoro. This guy is yeah, okay. Your boy has calmed down, but I am eating first. No problem.
Yeah, I wanna run off and fly.
No, Chiamaka, I don't like this.
It's fine to be alone.
No, I don't like. This game.
Just to
This game
find
making
somewhere
very
that finally feels like home. I hate all this overthinking. Oh,
Jesus, this is not sport the way.
I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to
So
a
guys,
world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started.
I'm not pushing her. If I start pushing you, it will not easy.
Get me out of now. To where we started.
Please do not
Get me out of now. To where we started out.
Okay. Another rule is the chocolate falls on the floor. I'm not. You're like, see, see, I want to speak. I want to speak. What's your name? That one. Chiamaka na. Oh, I don't like it. Chiamaka, what? This thing will put away. Ah! I have a question. All these people where they prison, where in the handcuff, I bet and they do it. Just at this rate, we should be awarded. So guys, story. Wait. Now you be
I'm not gonna chop her.
Oh, this girl is dragging this thing too much.
Jesus Christ.
Well, I'm not sure. Wait, though, in the
Jesus!
in the original challenge, are we supposed to be eating from the same plate? Because I don't get it. I no longer understand what's going on. This is what this chocolate powder looks like. You're using a different hand.
I just used to go.
You just use it to plain what. So guys, like I said earlier, we've actually missed you guys a lot. Don't worry, somebody commented and said that we should do a dance video. Don't worry, a dance video is coming now.
Okpa!
This girl don't mad past me. I swear to God. Chiamaka, wait now. No. This thing will pour. This thing will keep pouring away. My hands are red. I'm gonna take and no peace. Allow me now. Allow me now. I want to give up on this game because I don't understand this girl again. I really do not understand her again. She will take her own. She will not want me to take. Guys, as you can see, this girl, she's a fighter. Me, I don't like fighting. I like to do my things gently. Okay, now let's stay like this. Nobody will eat today. You think you have sense? So guys, it's really been a very hectic week ahead. What am I saying? It's really been a hectic week because it's been a long time I uploaded a video on my channel. Like I've been super busy. Everybody so it's not really hard time to make video. Also, if we should do well to give us YouTube content ideas.
Check me the talk.
So guys, at this rate we have to close down this close up. Maclean this. we have to Maclean this YouTube. Close up and Maclean this YouTube. Close out the vlog. Yeah, close out the vlog. Bye, guys. See you.
Challenge don't finish.
Yes,
Wait, challenge don't finish.
yes,
You never finish.
You don't finish.
You never finish.
I not do again. This girl won't break me.
Mo continue. Mo
I
continue.
say I not do again.
Mo continue. I beg na ma collect. Jesus, I don't fit chop it left though.
Now why you dey fight now? Fighter. Chiamaka, I put it in another hand. Okay now. You want to power.
I collect your biscuit first.
Boom.